All right, here we are on the Celebrity Equinox Stateroom 8122. Use our CPass card to open the door. You can also use your cell phone to open the door if you download the Celebrity Cruise Line app, and you can use that as well. So walking right on in, we have a little bit of a hallway here where we have a full-length mirror and the couch. So this couch is definitely can turn into a bed for someone to sleep on, and then we have a big bed here. Take a look at the nice X with that little throw pillow for Celebrity. Looks like there's some nice lights here on the side of the bed and some small little nightstands for us to have as well. Let's go on the other side here. So nice room around the sides of the bed as well to walk around and get up out of bed as well. So I know some cruise lines have USB ports on these phones, so I'm just checking to see if this one does. I didn't get a chance to look earlier. No, it doesn't, so we'll have to charge our phones over on the countertop here. But we have a little coffee table here, some magazine racks. We have a little gift here with a Celebrity Cruise Line bag. On the TV, it has welcoming our family as well, so that's pretty cool. And then a whole bunch of drawers for us to get organized, which I'm sure we will probably divvy up and pull out. Okay, so we have a mini fridge with stocked currently, Pringles in there, some water. And if you bring your own water or anything else that you want to put in there, you can always request to have this emptied out and put your own stuff in to make more room. And then in this one here is the safe, so tucked away there. Some nice countertop space. We have your hair dryer that we pulled out so you could see, and a little vanity mirror with a chair for you to get ready. So we started putting a couple things away when we were in our room earlier. Something that Celebrity does that is really nice is they allow you to access your stateroom before the rooms are actually ready. So there'll be a little perfection in progress sign, but you're allowed to grab your CPass card that's stationed up on the top of your tail of your door, and you can get in and drop your bags off and then enjoy the rest of the ship. And that's what we did here earlier. Let's take a look at the bathroom really quick. So inside the bathroom, there is a little bit of a step up here, not too high, but step on up in, and we have a nice shower curtain. This is always what I call a bank teller tube. So it's nice that there's not an actual curtain. And so here are the bath products inside: shampoo, shower gel, and conditioner, and some racks and a little bar. The toilet, the sink, some drawers as well, which is kind of nice. Some soap. I really think this is cool. So inside here is this little glass, and we have this to put more of our toiletries and get organized in here. This is the little bag that the hairdryer was in, if you're curious what that is. And then cups and just more storage space in here for you to put stuff in and get organized, and then the trash can. So I'm really impressed with the room. I think it looks great, but there is one more thing that we have yet to show you. It's our balcony. So let's go and take a look at our balcony. So take a look. We have 2 loungers and a table. We're actually pulling out. We are out at sea already. You can see Fort Lauderdale behind us over here. That's the majesty of the seas. Currently, we just pulled away about half an hour ago. So this is Fort Lauderdale directly in front of us. And then over here in the distance would be Miami. But back to our balcony. We have a gorgeous view right now, but back to the balcony. It is spacious. It's a good size, you know, it's long enough here. We don't have the full-blown loungers, but you could put this flat and like half lay with your legs off if you wanted to get some sun on your balcony. And then it looks like this would be the side to open if you were traveling with a stateroom next door. It has some hinges there, so if you were traveling with the stateroom next door, your stateroom host would open that up for you so you could have an extended balcony. Well, that does it for our balcony room tour 8122 aboard the Celebrity Equinox. We're in the forward on the starboard side of the ship. So I hope you enjoyed seeing our beautiful room, our home for the next cruise here. So if you enjoyed this video, please do give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe for more if you haven't already. Check out these other 2 videos that I think you might enjoy as well. Until next time, ciao for now.